Ronseal Fence Life Plus, 5-year protection for rough, sawn and smooth wood. This can's been kicking about in my garden for a couple of years. I wanted to show you what it looks like after it's been on wood, been applied for a couple of years. You can see that it's all kind of come off now. This was new fencing, and what I did, I coated this about 4 times. And it kind of sat on top a bit. But you can see from that, so much for the supposed to last for 5 years. It looks pretty dire, to be honest. I would have expected it to fade a bit and for some to come off. But you can see with all the weather we've had, that it doesn't hold up very well at all. I don't think I would use it again. As I'm going to recoat my fence with something else that I think might last, I got some cuprinol. This is garden shades, just a couple of testers. This is forget-me-not. I've done 1 coat on that, and you can see already it's covered most of the wood. So I reckon 2 coats of that and I'd get some really good coverage. This one's purple pansy. That was Mrs. InfoZhed's idea to have a look. You can see again, you got some really good coverage. So I think I'm going to go out and get some of this cuprinol garden shades and try that and see how well it lasts.